The universe provides me with all that I will ever need. My spirit dances in a step with joy in my heart. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and positive energy. I open myself to receiving abundance of the universe. My prayers are always answered in support of my dreams. Willing to believe that by focusing on feeling good, I make better choices that lead to desired results. I attract the vacation of my dreams. I feel grateful to be able to manifest my dream vacation. I am taking a trip to the most amazing holiday destination in the world. As I create the life I want, the pieces fall in place at the right time in exactly the way I want them to. Every day, in every way, I am growing in my business and manifesting the life of my desires. I surround myself only with people who are positive and in alignment with my goals. I manifest my goals by staying focused on them and working hard to achieve them. My total dedication to my business allows me to manifest success in it. I am able to manifest as much money as I need whenever I need due to my money consciousness. My actions create constant prosperity. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am in the process of becoming the best version of myself. I honor my body by trusting the signals that it sends me. Being happy comes easy to me. Happiness in my second nature. I am the author of my life story. I am the designer of my universe. I have the freedom to create any future I want. I am connected to a limitless source of ideas and creativity. My talents are worthy of being paid abundantly. I love the strong, powerful, divine woman staring back at me in the mirror. Everything works out perfectly. For me, I am creating my dream life. I am worthy of receiving my yes. Now release everything that is not serving my highest purpose. I am a smart, creative, and motivated. I only take yes for an answer. I step out of my comfort zone to achieve my goals and find comfort in change and new environments as I move towards my yes. I will make my dreams come true. I am setting a very clear and powerful intention. I am serving as a beneficial presence, adding value to the world. I can feel myself driving my vehicle and enjoy the smoothness and power. I am manifesting the best life possible.